everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to get cheap MTN data bundles, okay, at convenient prices. Okay, recently MTN has increased, or they've increased their packages, the amount you pay for data packages, okay, causing a lot of problems for people using the MTN services. Okay, so in case you go here, you dial *138, you notice that there are packages over there, okay, but these packages are very expensive, like crazy expensive, okay, crazy expensive. So you could see the packages, okay, have these packages, and in case you also use this code, okay, you could notice that these packages are very expensive, okay, very expensive. So in this video I'm going to share with you another way you can get cheap data bundles, okay, at convenient prices. Now with this video I've already made a video, okay, on our channel. So when you go to technology hacks, you'll see this video, okay. We are going to see how to use the NAT bundle, okay. This specifically for NAT bundle. Now wait, you could notice that some of you might ask, I do not have ID, okay, I don't have the GES ID. You don't have to worry, I'm going to show you how to bypass this method, okay. So in case you already have an ID, I've already made a video on how to get or buy this bundle using the ID. I'll link that in the description, okay, and add a card to that. And in case you don't have ID, just relax, stay tuned and follow this video. So I'm going to show you a trick as to how to get this bundle without ID, okay. Now let's proceed. But before we proceed, in case you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos, okay. Like the video, share, and then make sure to ask any questions in the comment section, and then I will be glad to respond to them as soon as possible, okay. So let's look at how you buy this bundle. So you have *227 *2234 hash, okay. So I'm going to show you how to use the ID. After that I'm going to show you how to bypass the ID. Now in case you have an ID, once you get to this stage, just enter your ID, okay. Depends on the ID you are using, okay. Just enter your ID and then the data options will pop up. Now notice that MTN has increased the data packages, okay. So these packages and their allocated price might differ, okay. That's because of the new update by MTN regarding their data packages. Now in case you don't have an ID, this is what you do, okay. Now let's cancel this option. Let's go back, use the code again, *227 *2234 hash, okay. Now this is what happens once you get to this stage. Listen attentively, okay. Once you get to this stage, in case you don't have an ID, or in case you have an ID and then you've exhausted your usage, okay, these IDs have a maximum usage of around 5 times per month. So once you use it more than 5 times, you cannot use it again unless the next month or the following month, okay, or subsequent month, okay. So once you get to this stage and you don't have an ID, this is what you do. Input your telephone number, okay. This telephone number should be the one linked to your MOMO account, okay. It should be the same as the one linked to your MOMO account. So let's say this is my telephone number, okay. So this is my telephone number, okay. Once you insert your telephone number, just click on reply, okay, and then straight ahead you'll be sent the data packages, okay. So check this out, okay. So let's do that again. Once you enter your telephone number, you will be sent the data packages, okay. It's just simple and straightforward. All right, now let's check this out. You could notice that the data packages have pop up, okay. So you could notice that the 8.5 gig is now 27 cedis, and then 17 gig is now 54. But initially we had 27 cedis to be 10 gig, and then 54 cedis to 20 gig, okay, because of the new data update, okay. In case you didn't see, let me go back again. Let me show you how this is done. 227 2234 hash, okay. So now those people asking you for money to buy or to give you free GES IDs, forget about them. With this video you can just get your package straight ahead by using this approach, okay. Again, once you get to this point, enter your MOMO number, okay, just like that, and then the options will pop up, okay. Once you choose an option, let's say you want the 17 gig, choose option 2. Now when you get to this point, okay, click on confirm, okay. After clicking on confirm, you input your MOMO number again, and then click on confirm, okay. Now after clicking on confirm, you'll notice that you'll be sent directly to go pay for the data. Okay, so notice that a pop-up will appear and then ask you to pay for the data. Okay, once you pay and input your pin, you are good to go. Okay, thanks for staying with me till the end of this video. Make sure to turn on your post notification, because I'll be uploading another video option on how to get data bundle as cheap as 20 gig. Okay, with this similar method. Okay, make sure to stay tuned. And in case you want to make money online, okay, I'll make video reviews on how to make money online. Okay, so I'll go through several videos, work on them and see whether those videos, those make money videos, are legitimate or not. Okay, make sure to also stick with me, and then have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.